We're on our way home now from meeting up with the Supermoto Manila Club. It's my first time meeting up with this group of guys. Mga hooligans sila on the road. Ako yung nahihirapan makisabay sa kanila. Well, that is definitely the advantage of having a supermoto. It's small, it's nimble, it's fast. Yung our Hyper Strada, which is based on the Hyper Motard, is, well, it's based on the Motard, but it's still relatively big. Kaya medyo hirap-hirap tayo sa singitan, but it was a fun night. No, it was my first time joining this group. Dami pala nila, dami. It was fun hanging out.
What's up, mga hotdog? May kapogi, may ka-hotdog.
Ganda ng white. The KLX. Jolo. So Jolo here is the owner of a white KLX 150. Napansin ko kasi ang ganda-ganda ng puti, no? So sir, ano na yung ginawa natin? Or what is the, ano siya, originally hindi naman siya moto di ba? Supermoto
Hindi, originally supermoto to. So, stock bike. So, parang ano siya hindi ko alam, import. This is import bike. So kaya,
supermoto na siya nung nabili. Hindi siya yung mga trail. Okay.
So, yan, stock yung hub, lahat, stock yung rim. Tapos, nagpalit lang, syempre, due to time, lumutong yung plastic. So, lahat ng flarings, palit. Pero white din nung nakuha.
White din yung original.
So, ang original niya talaga is dirty white. Ang puti na kaya.
Ito ngayon puting-puti na talaga.
Ito puting-puti, kaya mukha siyang bago.
So yung rims niya, original yan?
Original yan.
Pero yung ganito hindi tubeless?
Hindi tubeless. So, 2014, hindi pa naman din, up yung mga tubeless that time. Recently lang naman talaga na-up yun Pero,
so ano yung mga in-upgrade natin dito?
So, yun.
Yung preno ba niyan?
Yung preno, yes, upgraded yan. Pero, kinalaki ko lang. So, from 280 yata, nag-320 ako.
Pistons original?
Piston original. Tapos,
rear disc original?
Rear disc original. So, yun. Lost plate nga lang. Siyempre, katagalan. Pero, yeah, exhaust, X7. Tapos, ano lang, sa pitik-pitik ng green. Kasi medyo...
Para Kawasaki.
Para Kawasaki feel pa rin. Since I own ZX4RR. So, yun.
So talagang Kawasaki ang trip mo?
Hindi, yan, dream bike ko nung bata ako.
Yung ZX4RR?
Hindi, kumbaga ito, dream bike ko. Tapos na-meet ko sa yung ZX4RR. Tapos nakabili ako ng halaga 50k lang. Tapos,
ang ganda ka, 50k swerte
So, kasi yung budget nito ngayon, nasa 85 pa.
Kaya nga
Sa tagal.
Tumitingin ako ng mga kahit na yung di ba may KLX na hindi supermoto? Mahal pa rin
So, yan, nangachamba. So, yun lang. Wala na mga upgrades, braking system lang. Nakabaso. Tapos, plastic, yun. Kaya makinis dahil bago plastic.
Bago plastic.
Yun lang.
Okay, thank you sir. Talking to these people about their builds kasi it's if you guys know sa mga super motards, konti lang ang mga motards here in the Philippines that are ready to, yung pagbili mo motard na, marami talaga sa mga supermoto enthusiasts dito, they build their own. So they usually start off with an enduro or on off-road bikes, and then they would modify it so that it becomes street, so that's what it makes it a super motard. And ako, matagal na gusto ko bumuo ng isa I wanted something that I can use on the street. Para ang cool talaga yung you have the suspension of an off-road, so medyo hindi ka takot sa mga potholes, mga bangketa, but at the same time you have the sportiness of having the sport tires of a sport bike. Ako, I really love Supermoto, and hopefully baka next time mag-build tayo. Ang maganda sa kanya, you can, if you're just going to do your own build, you can just buy a cheaper na mga second hand na mga enduro bikes, motocross bikes, and then you convert it slowly para project bike. Okay guys, thank you very much, and hopefully we get to ride out with the Supermoto group again. Baka next time naman mas mahaba-habang ride. Ngayon lang, we just went from Quezon City and then we went to Pasay para to hang out here doon sa MOA. Okay, bye guys!